Hi, I'm Biljana. I'm the founder of the Massage Lab. We are a sport and remedial massage practice situated right in the heart of Islington. We're perfectly sandwiched between Upper Street, the Islington Green and Essex Road. The Massage Lab is situated in a bright, lovely building in Islington. There's no cramped, dingy, dark underground rooms with us. With a Pilates studio beneath us and plenty of therapies in the clinic, it's a great place to either get treated or pampered. It's really easy to find us with the Angel and Highbury and Islington tube stations just a short walking distance away, and plenty of handy bus routes from the City, the West End, Finsbury Park or Hackney stopping within a second from our door. I really like Islington's buzz and variety. It still has that independent, eclectic feel to it. It really felt like the right place for the Massage Lab, and well, 3 years on, we're still really happy to be here. The Massage Lab is all about receiving the treatment that best matches your needs. You could be a professional boxer, a stressed out office worker, an MMA fighter, a beauty therapist. We have the right prescription for you. There are no off-the-shelf massage routines or greasy oils and ambient music here, not unless you ask for them, of course. Sport and remedial massage is a very effective treatment because we get right into those knots for you and get rid of the pain. But we also want to help you get rid of the cause of the problem. It could be that you're overtraining at the gym or just have a bad posture at work. So we'll work with you on these issues. We don't believe in creating therapist dependency. We want you to get better and stay that way. Pregnancy massage is a wonderful, safe way of getting rid of those aches and pains that accompany the amazing but pretty extreme shift in the female body during and after pregnancy. But we won't just give you an oily rub, we'll get into those aches and pains for you and we'll get you feeling and hopefully sleeping like a baby. Sometimes we all just need to slow down and unwind, and we're really happy to be able to now offer holistic massage at the lab on Sundays. It all goes back to the concept of the Massage Lab. We'll deliver the massage remedy that works best for you. So if you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss massage treatments with us, just give us a call. There won't be a hard sell, just a nice conversation.